Hi, student everyone. Hi, hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about the topic statistic. Okay, with the chapter number 14 in class 10 NCERT textbook. Okay, so already we have studied in class 9 about statistic. Okay, analysis of the data. But in 9th class we have studied statistics to find out mean, median, mode of ungrouped data. Okay, in class 10th we will learn how to find out the mean and mode and median of the group data. Okay, so we'll start with the few questions. So generally we have three methods to calculate. There are three methods to solve. Okay, three methods. There are three methods to calculate mean. To calculate mean. There are three methods to calculate mean. First one, direct method. Second one, assume mean method. And third one is step deviation method. Okay. The first method is called direct method. Okay. And second method known as assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. And third one is step deviation method. Step deviation method. Okay. There are three methods to calculate mean: direct method, assume mean method, and step deviation method. Okay. So in direct method, first one direct method we take. In direct method, the formula of direct method is x bar, nothing but mean. X bar is equal to sigma of fi xi divided by sigma of fi. Okay, so here f sigma means sum, fi frequency that will be given in question, and xi is class mark. Xi is class mark that we can calculate by upper limit plus lower limit whole divided by 2. Okay, clear? And the second method, assume mean method. In the assume mean method, the second method, assume mean method. The formula for assume mean method is assume mean method. In the assume mean method, we assume 1a from the class mark. The formula will be x bar is equal to a plus sigma of fi di divided by sigma of fi. Okay. So what is di here? Di means difference that we can calculate by xi minus a. From the class mark, we'll subtract assume mean. Okay. Di will calculate by xi minus a. And the formula of mean is x bar is equal to a plus sigma of fi di divided by sigma of fi. Okay. And the third method is step deviation method. Step deviation method. Step deviation method. Step deviation method. Okay, step deviation method. The formula for step deviation method is x bar is equal to, okay, a plus sigma of fi ui whole divided by sigma of fi whole into h. Okay, x bar is equal to a is assumed mean method plus sigma of fi ui divided by sigma of fi whole into h. What is ui here? Ui will calculate simply di by I, that is xi minus a whole divided by h. H means class size. Okay, so by this formula ui is equal to xi minus a by h, we will calculate ui. Okay, what are the differences between all three methods? See, when the data is very small and data given is small and very simple, we adopt assume so direct method. Okay, if the data is given large, then we go for assume mean method or step deviation method. So it is assume mean method. We can prefer in both the cases if the data is large or small also. Okay, in assume mean method, we can do the calculation very easily. Okay, so now we'll see next. We'll calculate. So the problem. Okay, we'll take one problem from the NCERT textbook 14.1, question number 1. We'll take question number 1, 14.1, and that we will solve by direct method as well as by assume mean method. Okay, so the question given is here. Let us suppose question number 2 we will take. Okay, 500 to 550, 552, 540 we will draw the table. The firstly we'll draw here first column of class interval, next column of frequency, first column of class interval, next column of frequency, next column of class mark, next column of di, fourth column of FIDI. This is fourth column required here. Okay, fourth column will be required here. First column class interval, second column frequency, third column bit large, xi, third column xi, fourth column class mark, difference column, and last is FIDI. First one is CI class interval, and second one is frequency, third one is class mark xi, one is di, is equal to xi minus a, and the fourth column is fi di. Okay, Now we'll draw proper line. Okay. First class interval of question number 2, 14.1 is 100 to 120. Then 122. Then 122, 140, and next 142, 160, and next one is 162, 180, and next one is 182, 200. Okay, now their frequencies are 12, 12, next one is 8, next one is 6, then 10. Next one is 6, sorry. Next one is 6, then next one is 10. Okay. Now, in this way, we have calculated xi class mark, that is class mark formula xi is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So upper limit 120 by plus 100, that is 220, 220 by 2 is 110. Now after that, no need to every time calculate upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Just add the gap. Whatever the gap, whatever the class size you add. Here class size is 20. You add 20, 20 in each class mark. So 110 plus 20, 130, 130 plus 20, 150, 150 plus 20, 170, 120 plus 20 is 190. Then the difference di. Di is equal to formula xi minus a. Here we have assumed a is equal to 50. Okay, a is equal to 50. So 110 minus 50 if is minus 40. 130 minus 150 is minus 20. Yes, 130 minus 150, since 150 is bigger, so we'll write minus 20 here. And it is 0, same positive value will come. Now multiply fi into die, 12 4s are 480, 14 2s are 28 minus 28. Okay, in this way we got sigma of fi divided minus 240, and already sigma of f is given, frequency 50 worker. Okay, that is 12, 4 plus 2 6, and 6 plus 8 14 plus 6 20, 0 carry 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 50. Okay, so sum of frequencies sigma of f is 50 here, that is total worker given here. Now we'll apply, next step we'll calculate mean, that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma of Fi di divided by sigma of Fi. So here A value we have taken 150, okay, 150 value, okay. So we'll take next one 150 plus of sigma of Fi di is coming minus 240 by 50, minus 240 by 50. Okay, that is 150 plus minus minus, subtract here 24 by 5, that is 5 fours are 20, remainder 4.8, so 4.8. After subtracting we will get 150.0, 4.8 is 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 4 5, here 4, 145.2, 145.2. This is the mean of the given data. Thank you very much. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you.